Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with King. Let's get the financial disclaimer out of the way. This is not intended as financial advice. Please do your due diligence before making any decisions based on this information. So I got the chat open as well, guys. If you guys want to ask any questions or anything along those lines, please do. And we'll go from there. So we are going to start off looking at this 1 hour chart that's just going crazy right now. We're getting a nice little pump back right now, back up to 6,200. Let's see what happens here. Is that going to be a real pump or is it going to be a fake pump? You know, it's hard to tell. So let's just see what's going to happen here. Looks like we're getting some decent support. Sorry guys, I'm trying to manage one of my positions at the moment. Sorry. Come on, you piece of crap. There we go. Did it work? Okay, yeah, it worked. Alright. So anyway, so like I said, we're getting this nice little bounce back right here off of 6,000 support again. But again, guys, this is just giving you a perfect opportunity to get in and short. This is going to go down. I'm almost super positive that this is going to fall, and it's going to fall pretty hard. So just again, if you have a chance, like right now, get in, grab a short. This is not going to work out. I mean, we broke down through the up channel support, which we just came back up and was rejected at again. Obviously, we tested the very bottom of the fib level from our first drop down to the 60.90 level, 60.70. I still expect this to, obviously, we're not going to break through 6,000 right away. We're going to have this bounce. So right now, this bounce is your short opportunity. Get in. If you're not in, get in now, because this is your only opportunity. It's not going to happen again. This was the good pop-up. Honestly, that was your best shot at getting into short, somewhere around 62.50. And, I expect this to play around here for a little while, back in this downtrend. If you look at it, since we fell back into this original downtrend channel, once we fell back into that, we've tested those lines as well in some of these drops in this up channel. It's pretty accurate if you look at it. So we've came in here, we dumped around here, we jumped around here, boom. Now we fell back and we popped back to here, which is fine. That's about normal. We'll probably play around here for a little while, and then we'll probably, usually most likely see a crash there. I mean, we didn't even hit an oversold condition on the 1 hour chart. It got close, but it didn't really hit it. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, obviously we're seeing this really long wick here. I have a feeling that we will follow this wick up on its way down. It's usually what happens. Just like here. You had this big wick that got back up from down in these levels. Well, it played around in that channel, okay, and then it crashed down. All right. On the 4 hour chart, we literally went to the bottom of the channel, and now we're back up here, about the 328 drop level. I expect us to follow this candle up and at least minimally retrace to the bottom of that candle, which should be about 6,000. And then, again, we're testing the bottom of that channel. We're literally at the bottom of the channel, and I'll show it to you here in just a second. What the hell's going on here? My orders aren't placing. I hate BitMEX sometimes. System is currently overloaded. Don't we just love that? Okay, so anyway, I mean, that's kind of what I see happening. I don't want to see this candle get back into this up channel here. I want to see it stay closed below it. I mean, we did kind of pop back there pretty good. I didn't expect it to jump back that hard. But I do expect it to follow it up, so just stay in your positions. Don't panic. It's not like this wick's going to send us on some kind of bull run or something stupid along those lines. It's not going to happen. So, you know, let's not think it's gonna, because it's not. We'll jump over to the 12-hour chart. Again, the 12-hour chart, I mean, this is clearly painting a massive bull flag, or sorry, massive bear flag. Here, if you use the up channel, it's back up into that up channel at the moment. That was a really, really fast wick there. So let's see what happens here. I'm just waiting for wherever this bounce stops to short again, because this is definitely not going up. It's going to go down. Now it looks like it's got some room to run up here. That might have killed the bears a little bit, so we'll have to see. Order book looks weak. So let's see what happens here. There could be a fake out, starting to look more like it as it waits. So I still believe it's still going down. I mean, I don't think it's going to hold this weight at all. And most likely it'll be rejected here at this 50-week moving, at this 50-hour moving average. So let's see. You just had the 100 cross over the 200. So this is just the start. Let's see what it does here. I mean, we still got 40 minutes left in this candle. I mean, it's hard to tell what's going to happen. Man, it went so fast, or else I would have sold my position when it was down there. But anyway, I still believe that it's going to fall overall. You know, we've had what? We just had a, you know, $600 worth of movement in less than 30 minutes. So let's just watch it here. I mean, it's really pumping right now. Look at it go. What's going on here? Now you're back at your MAs again. I'd be adding to your shorts right about now. Actually, I am going to do that, I believe. For a moment. Let's see if it's got there yet. Because I've got a place here for it to grab some extra orders. Wow, this movement is nuts. 6,400. Wow, what's going on here? This is nuts. Of course, Pi system overload won't let you get in. Yep, of course not. Wow. This might just be a nice little short squeeze here, guys. Come on, you piece of shit. Man, what is going on? This is manipulation and a half right here. Come on, you piece of shit. Come on, you piece. this is retarded. All right, well, let's look at the shorts real quick. They're just going up more. I mean, this is retarded as fuck, man. I love how BitMEX won't let me short. It won't let me add to my short anyway. Well, I don't think anybody's seen that coming. Well, I've clicked it about 5,000 times too, and it's still not working for me. Now my sessions reached length. What the fuck? That was like a short wreck-it fucking Finanza. Let's see what it got here. Oh. Man, I think that longs and shorts just got pounded, dude. Nut. Okay, come on, let me in. Oh my god. Well, I'm having issues here, guys. I don't know what the deal is. There we go. Yeah, it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop really hard, but the frustration is it's not letting me get my order in. I mean, I'm already in, you know, with the average at 6,400, but there we go. Finally, it went on, but it's too fucking late. Oh, all right. Yeah, this is gonna crash. That was straight up liquidation right there. That was it. Now you look at the OB, and there's nothing in its way to hold this up. It's exactly what just happened when it went down. It went all the way down. They sold a bunch off, and you know the OB got super weak. They attacked. They went up. They shorted. They shorted the or they blah, 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 blah. They squeezed the shorts, and that's that. That's all they did. That was the whole point of this entire thing, was to squeeze shorts, and that's it. So, like, yeah, this is done. And maybe not. Yeah, you never know, but I'm telling you, the OB looks a lot stronger now than it did. So anyway, that's what I see happening there. Same thing with Ether. If you have a chance to catch the top of Ether somewhere here between the 214 and 210 area, I would definitely be doing it. I mean, we basically just went right back into our short call for Ether, our call for XBT may have just hit some stops on that retardedness bullshit. But we'll see. I don't understand why it jumps so hard so fast. We need to start looking around for some news or something and see what's going on. But let's go ahead and go back to oh, come on. Well, now nothing's... Why isn't anything working today? Oh my god, it's like everything is like frozen or something on me. Yeah, that's what I think. That's what it looks like it was. It was a nice little short squeeze. But I would assume that that was the end of it. I mean, it was a pretty good short squeeze. I didn't expect it to go back any higher than that. I honestly didn't expect it to go that high at all. but it is what it is, I guess. So we'll just have to see here what's gonna transpire now. It's hard to tell what's gonna happen, but we'll just have to double check it and see. I mean, if you grab those shorts, that's great. I mean, it basically stopped out of the same resistance it's been at. So I mean, I don't think that it's gonna obviously go much higher than that. But let's just see what happens. So let's see if we can get some of these other charts to load here. For some reason we're having an issue. Come on, man. Well, it looks like we're having some technical difficulties here, not just with freaking BitMEX, but with my computer as well. I'm frozen up here. So, I don't know what to do. Google Chrome's frozen now. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. Come on. Alright guys, well it's looking like I'm going to have to stop this stream because I'm like frozen all the way here. Something's not right. So guess we'll just have to redo it tomorrow. I don't know what the heck the deal is here. What the hell's going on? Everything froze. Oh, what the fuck? I don't know what the deal is. I can't even turn the stream off or on.